Apple says a plan for nearly 50% commission on metaverse purchases lays bare Meta's hypocrisy. Oh, you knew they had to have a comeback. You knew they had to have a response of sorts to that news. That news was a bit wild. We were a bit caught off guard. I know you were, Will. You had high hopes for this metaverse deal.
Yeah, I talked to Mark. I'm just like, buddy, we said 30.
You talked to Mark?
But he's like, no, 50. I was like, okay, fine.
You talked to Mark?
Yeah.
Allegedly?
Yeah.
Allegedly. Yeah, no, the news came out yesterday, or maybe it was the day before, or whatever. 47.5% revenue split on virtual goods sold in the metaverse. 47.5% commission. Now, of course, Facebook had been going heavy at Apple for the 30% commission inside the App Store. And now they opened the door with this new announcement for Apple to fire back, as they have, saying, oh, you talk about our 30 points? How about yours? Close to 50.
Yeah.
Did Tim say it himself? I don't know. Was it somebody else? Let's see. Meta has repeatedly taken aim at Apple for charging developers a 30% commission for in-app purchases in the App Store and have used small businesses and creators as a scapegoat at every turn. Apple spokesman. It's a spokesman. That's because Tim will never say Mark's name in public. He's like, Mark, who? Who are you talking about? You're like Zuckerberg, the Facebook guy. He's like, I don't know. I don't know who you're talking about. He would play that type of game with him.
Yeah.
Apple spokesman Fred Zane stated in an email to MarketWatch, now Meta seeks to charge those same creators significantly more than any other platform. Meta's announcement lays bare Meta's hypocrisy. It goes to show that while they seek to use Apple's platform for free, they happily take from the creators and small businesses that use their own. Yeah, I mean, I don't know that 47.5 thing is going to stick. Seems a bit high, but I think the other part of it was that a portion of it was the App Store fee as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was split.
It was a combo.
Things.
It was a combo effect. We have a message here that apparently Elon just tweeted that he's a big fan of the show. So we have an Elon update.
Oh, nice.
This show right here. I don't know if you knew that. Well, we're joking. Don't go check his Twitter. I don't think there's any updates that have happened that quickly. We have a, or maybe he did. Can you go check? Not about this, but maybe something else. Shout out Captain Off, by the way. I think maybe he updated his Twitter. Go back and give us a refresh. Just I love you 10 minutes ago. Okay. All right. Well, I think that's an update we needed to see. Very important. Just a quick I love you if that's what you were looking for. We of course, send you a very similar message here.